गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। हैकबेरी एजुकेशंस। आज हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो डॉक्टर्स का सब्जेक्ट है। ये सब्जेक्ट इंसान को डॉक्टर बनाता है। बायोलॉजी के बारे में भी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की कंट्रोवर्शियल थिंकिंग है। दे थिंक अबाउट दिस सब्जेक्ट दैट इट इज़ वेरी मच टफ, difficult to understand, difficult to learn. But the way I will explain to you the biology paper pattern today, you will feel that this subject is comparatively so simple and its proceedings are comparatively easier than the other subjects. Biology subject considered the science of nature, the science of us, animals and plants, and all of us are basically in some knowledge about biology naturally. So let's start today's lecture today, the paper pattern of biology for grade 10 metric. This subject also consists of 60 marks and its time given us is 2 hours. We have to complete the complete paper into just within due time 2 hours. There are 9 chapters in biology, grade 10, and only 3 chapters out of 9 are a bit, you can say, understandable. The others are so simple knowledge is there, so simple understandings are there, and a little effort will make a student very much interested and very much elegant in the biology. First of all, I have listed the number of chapters. There are 9 chapters of biology. They will start from 10 up to 18. Then we will study that how short questions are selected, how MCQs are selected, and what are the paper settlement for the long questions. So let's start with MCQs. MCQs from chapter number 10, 11, 12, 13 is picked just one. From 14, 15 and 16 there will be 2 MCQs from each these chapters and 1 MCQ from chapter number 17 and 18. Again 12 MCQs, 4 options. You have to select the appropriate option and you have to fill the bubble. Then we have its short questions. Short question scheme is very simple for biology. From chapter number 10, 3 short questions, chapter number 11, 2, chapter number 12, 3. And for the combinations are also very simple. The consecutive combinations. First short question will consist of chapter number 10, 11 and 12, the black dots. And from these chapters, 3 from 10, 2 from 11, 3 from 12. So 8 there will be short questions. You have to attempt any 5. So it will be so simple for you, manageable. Then red dots, chapter number 13, 14 and 15, there will be 3, 2, 3. Again, so simple. Any 2 chapters will give you complete 5 short questions and you can make them attempt easily. Third short question, it will be chapter number 16, 17 and 18, green dots, and there will be division of short questions 4, 2, 2. If you will just complete chapter number 16, you can be able to attempt 4 short questions. You need 1 more question. So it is also very much easily. You please observe the 2 chapters of each section for short questions will give you complete 5 questions. Any 2 chapters from these black dots, red dots or green dots, you have to attempt any 2 chapters. And your all 5 short questions will be there. You will be able to get full 10 by 10 out of short questions. Now come to the long questions. This is again students very much easy. First long question will be selected from chapter number 11 and 13. I have also given the titles of the chapters. Homeostasis, so simple chapter. Support and movement, even simpler chapter. So these both chapters are very much simple. No deep understanding is there, no deep knowledge is there. You just will be able to understand these chapters easily and the learnings are also very simple. So I would like to advise that you should select this first long question. The second long question will be picked, will be set from chapter number 12 and 14. Here, coordination and control, a bit long question, long chapter, but its understandings are simple. Reproduction, this is a bit, you can say, difficult, but not as difficult you can't manage, it is still manageable. The third long question will be from chapter number 17 and 18, biotechnology and pharmacology. These both chapters are so simple, so small in volume as well. So these chapters are easily manageable. So my advice for the students who want to earn more and more marks, that you please select the first long question consisting of chapter number 11 and 13, homeostasis and support and movement, and the last long question consisting of chapter number 17 and 18, biotechnology and pharmacology. I have also derived a view that if you will select any two long questions, how many marks you can have. If you will select question number 5, chapter number 11 and 13, this will give you 21 marks, two chapters will give you 21 marks. And if you will be able to select question number 6, 12 and 14, it will give you 22 marks. And if you will be selecting last question 17 and 18, which I advise that you should select this question, because this is easy and short, and its learnings are very simple. It will give you 19 marks. Look at the pairings. If you will be pairing first two long questions, they will give you 43 marks. If you will select first and the last long question, it will give you 40 marks. And if you will select the last two long questions, it will give you 41 marks. So I think so very simple. To get passing marks for the students is so simple, and the other combinations are also very fine. So I think so, if you will be dominating in your understanding and learnings, अगर आपकी बहुत अच्छी learnings आप करके अच्छे number लेना चाहते हैं, तो फिर I would like to advise for the intelligent students कि you please go on to long question number 2 and theory. And if you want to have a relaxed combination, then you please go on to the question number 1, long question number 1 and long question number 3, last one. So this way, this is the combination. It will boost up your performance in your exam paper. And these understandings are also very much simple, students. So for biology, this is the paper pattern. This is my subject. I love biology very much, and this subject is so much easy, has been already for me, and I wish and I hope to all of you students that you please also feel it very good and easy subject. So if you will follow the scheme of the paper, then you immediately will be able to learn all the content that will be repeatedly in their board exams. तो ये मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इसको लाजमी तौर पे याद करें, इन्हीं चैप्टर्स को टारगेट कर लें, और इन द समर वेकेशन टाइम यू शुड कंप्लीट द पैक चैप्टर्स. आई मीन कि जो आपने 4 चैप्टर्स इसमें लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के लिए सिलेक्ट करने हैं एज पर योर पर्सनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स, जो आपको अच्छे लगते हैं वो आप इनको देख लीजिएगा. होम्योस्टैसिस, सपोर्ट एंड मूवमेंट, कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड कंट्रोल, रिप्रोडक्शन, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड फार्माकोलॉजी. आउट ऑफ दीज 6 चैप्टर्स यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट जस्ट 2. जो आपको 2 पेयर इसमें अच्छे लगते हैं, 4 चैप्टर्स टोटल बनेंगे, आप उसको याद करें. बायोलॉजी आपकी पॉकेट में आ जाएगी, आपके इतने अच्छे नंबर आ जाएंगे कि आप उसको खुद से भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड.